Hello, are you there? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah, can you hear me? We got a flat on the trailer. And my dad...
Let me catch you guys up. Got a flat. Sparks are flying. Pull over. Had to change the tire. No problem. He has the spare. Grab the spare. Ready to put it on. Wait a minute. What is this? Yes, 5 lug? Yes. But wait, is that a different lug pattern? Oh, it is. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow, we're in the middle of nowhere. And you don't have a spare wheel that fits. What say you? What say you, Rich?
Oh, I don't have one.
Is this preparation 101?
Yes, this is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they won't. Yeah, they won't. I wish AAA would.
So now we are gonna go ahead and swap a tire
so hard
on a wheel without any tools. Perfect. If he only had a mechanic, wait, he is a mechanic. Oh, you think you won't be prepared? Oh, well, we'll see how this goes. I mean, heck, even the white collar guy brought an actual flashlight. We're doing well. I'm gonna go have a beer.
He did. Oh my God. Oh, he said even the white collar. Well, the problem is, yeah, there's not much left in the tire.
Oh, that's the problem? Or is the problem that you had the wrong rim for a spare? Here, I'll turn this off so I can actually give you some help.
No, it's okay. There's not enough room. We're gonna just work it around.
This is a family show, so I appreciate not the damn words. Like darn it, dang, you know, Hillary, that stuff, that'll work. You guys want to see a face of determination? Look at that. Zoom in on that. Concentration.
We're gonna get it though.
We are getting it. You a milkshake at the first fast food joint because you just brought all the boys to the yard. Booyah! Yeah! Get it? Don't weaken! Yes! How we doing, Rich? I got it all out, man. I used a piece of rubber.
Okay, let's go back to this. Okay, we need something to let air out of this.
Okay, what do you need, like a pick? You have a pick? Here, I'll go find a piece of, I got it. Okay, we got the tire swapped. Unfortunately, it's not catching the bead.
Find it. Oh, it's not strong enough. It's too old.
Already popping bees, baby.
Let's get the tire pressure gauge now. Where'd I put it?
I wonder what everyone else was thinking, seeing a trail of fire, huh?
And now.
Can't see your face.
Yeah, buddy.
Well, we've only been here for an hour or so.
Have we been here an hour? At least.
Probably, yeah. We're not gonna get any Jamesons.
Are we there yet? I want to be there.
Well, yeah. You got only got about what, another 6 hours?
Yeah. Good buddy. Woo! You want to turn off the Jeep?
I don't want to turn it off. No. Okay. Actually, no. I'm going to sit and just rev it up for a little bit. Beautiful music to my ears. What a beautiful night. Nice, oh, beautiful moon. What's up?
Put that strap back on.
Yep. All right, signing off.